Looking for a high-quality 3D base mesh for your character designs? Check out the Mark III version 2 base mesh, now available in a non-adult version. This base mesh model features quad faces, meticulous attention to detail, and optimized topology for smoother animations and reduced production time. With fully UV mapped textures and a range of file formats, this base mesh provides the perfect foundation for your 3D character design projects. If you're interested in the R18 version of the Mark III version 1 base mesh, designed for adult content, you can find the link in the description below. The Mark III version 2 base mesh is the perfect starting point for your 3D character design projects. With meticulous attention to detail, this high-quality base mesh model features quad faces with a total of 200,048 faces, full quad typology. This model has been optimized for animations with loops and quads, ensuring smoother and cleaner animations. The base mesh comes with a range of file formats to suit your needs, including one blend file with a mid-poly model with all textures applied, OBJ, and FBX files with a mid-poly version and a high-poly versions too. This model strikes the perfect balance between quality and performance, making it a versatile choice for various applications. Whether you're a professional 3D artist or just starting out, this base mesh provides a solid foundation to create your own custom character. Upon purchase, you'll receive 4K textures to ensure that every detail is captured in your character's design. The blend file is set up with all textures applied, allowing you to get started on your project right away. You'll be able to create high-quality characters that look great in any situation. Additionally, the two OBJ and FBX files with a mid-poly version and a high-poly version allow for easy integration into a variety of 3D software programs, giving you the flexibility to work with the model in a way that suits your workflow. Using a mid-poly model like the Mark III version 2 base mesh provides a good compromise between quality and performance, making it an ideal choice for game development or real-time applications. The optimized topology ensures smoother animations and reduces production time, making the model efficient and cost-effective. Overall, the Mark III version 2 base mesh is a top-quality 3D base mesh that provides a versatile and efficient foundation for your 3D character design projects. With its meticulous attention to detail and range of file formats, this base mesh is the ideal starting point for creating high-quality characters that will stand out in any environment. Furthermore, you can now create your custom characters with the same optimized topology, meticulous attention to detail, and range of file formats, without any concerns, giving you the freedom to customize your character's appearance to your liking.